Okay, folks, so today we're going to do a review of the ToLife Portable Space Heater. Currently $40 on Amazon, because unfortunately it's starting to get a little colder, as you might know. So portable space heater comes in handy, keep you nice and toasty. So this is a really good unit. Maybe I'll start here at the top. You can see it actually has the nice touch buttons, which I like. We got the minus, we got the plus. We got the mode. Flip mode is the squad, yo. The power, the timer, and the oscillation. Yes, this does all that. And it has a digital display. Let me show you the back jack, which is very basic, but it has a little nice grip handle here. And this is where the vents are going to, get the air. You never want to block the front or block the back. But let's turn this puppy on. Enough with the chitter-chatter and the small talk. And look at the nice digital display. That is pretty cool, guys. And I can already feel the air coming out. So as you can see, I have my thermostat over here as well. It's 69 degrees in the house. That says it's 66 because we just turned it on, but it is pretty accurate, and that will go up. And then we have the modes. Flip mode. So this is going to put it on low, a little less heat. And then we also have the eco mode. Now this is actually going to let you set it, which is pretty nice. You can go higher and lower. Now the only thing I don't like is after a while, once it hits that temperature, then it just stops and it blows out the cool air to cool the heater. I wish it would go, up and down and keep changing, but if you want to set it, once it hits that, you're good. Other modes would be just fan. You can see that's supposed to light up. Yeah, you got the little fan there, in the summertime. Keep you nice and cool. But again, the digital display, I think, is what sells it. I mean, it's just so great. The touch buttons. It does oscillate. Maybe we can do a little oscillation for you guys. It's almost like it's dancing a little bit. I kind of like that. So this actually comes in handy, and I've probably said handy a few times. Anybody counting? Because if you have more than one person in the room, it's going to hit everybody. If you're sitting in seats, couches, relaxing, eating a hoagie on the couch, and then you got someone else having a Diet Mountain Dew soda or something, it's really good for that. Also has protection. Let's stop the oscillation first so you guys can see it. Dead in center. A 10 hoot. Alright, so we got that pretty centered. So it says it has overheat protection, which you definitely need that nowadays. And the tip over, which most of them have, but not all of them. See, it just turned off. It's got the tip over protection. See that right there? That little white, I don't know what you want to call it, disc button, I guess. So once that lifts up, automatically turns off. Say you knock it down, a dog knocks it down, a ghost, it will turn off. And then once it goes back down, well, there you go. It's still off. So then you got to turn it back on, and then you're back in business. But I like that safety feature. That's really good. And this is 950 watts low, 1500 watts high, and that's probably about it. The timer, guys. The timer is actually pretty neat. You do have a timer button right here. You can do the timer and then you can set it. You can actually, oh, I guess I wasn't quick enough. You got to keep hitting the timer button, and you can go however many hours you want. So that's a nice feature as well. And if you don't want that, we just get out of that. Got to go back to 0 and then the mode back. So you see now it's 67, getting a little closer. It says 69 there. I think 72 is a nice temperature, guys. Get nice and toasty. I like it between 70 and 72. What do you guys like? What temperature do you guys usually set your thermostat at? So yeah, I do recommend this, and I will put a link in the description. You guys can purchase it on Amazon. Currently on sale for 40 bucks. So it's pretty good. Looks good. Nice and modern. So yeah, any questions or comments, let me know. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel,